Jainism and Buddhism. Question 1. Which of the following texts mentioned about the list of all 16 Mahajanabdas? 1. Bhagavati Sutra. 2. Anguttara Nikaya. 3. Indica. 4. Arthashastra. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. All of above. Question 2. Which reference to the religious practices in India, the Sthavirvadin and Sarvastivadins sects belongs to? A. Buddhism. B. Jainism. C. Vaishnavism. D. Shaivism. Question 3. Which one of the following was not the cause for the rise of Jainism and Buddhism during the Mahajanpada period? A. Religious unrest in India in the 6th century BC. B. Complex rituals and sacrifices advocated in the later Vedic period. C. Declining economic conditions of the Vaisyas. D. The teachings of Upanishads were highly philosophical in nature. Question 4. With reference to the cultural history of India, consider the following pairs. Buddhist Council place. 1. First Buddhist Council Vaishali. 2. Second Buddhist Council Rajagriha. 3. Third Buddhist Council Patliputra. 4. Fourth Buddhist Council Kashmir. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 1 and 4 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 3 and 4 only. Question 5. Which of the following are the reasons for the rise of numerous religious sects in mid-Gangetic plains in 6th-5th centuries BC? 1. Kshatriya reaction against domination of the Brahmanas. 2. Spread of new agricultural economy. 3. Rise in importance of Vaishyas. 4. Strong reaction against private property. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 1, 2 and 4 only. C. 2, 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 6. In ancient Indian Buddhist monasteries, a ceremony called Pavrana used to be held. It relates to A. Occasion to elect the Sangmaparanayaka and two speakers, one on Dhamma and the other on Vinaya. B. Confession by monks of their offences committed during their stay in the monasteries during the rainy season. C. Ceremony of initiation of new person into the Buddhist Sangha in which the head is shaved and when yellow robes are offered. D. Gathering of Buddhist monks on the next day to the full moon day of Ashadha when they take up a fixed abode for the next 4 months of the rainy season. Question 7. Consider the following statements with reference to the Jainism. 1. Jainism recognized the existence of gods. 2. It did not condemn the Varna system. 3. They use Pali language to preach their doctrines. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 8. Consider the following statements regarding Vajrayana. 1. It developed as a subsect of Buddhism in India around the 1st century BC. 2. It marked the development of tantric ideas in Buddhist teachings. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 9. Which of the following statements in context of the Jain philosophy? 1. The foundation of the basic philosophy of the Jainas was laid down by Mahavira. 2. It mandates monastic existence for salvation. 3. It believes in the cycle of birth and rebirth. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 10. Which of the following sections were not allowed to enter into the Sangha of Buddhism? 1. Are women. 2 slaves, 3 soldiers, 4 debtors. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 2 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 11. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Great event of Buddha life symbol. 1. Avakranti, conception or descent, white elephant. 2. Jati, birth, lotus. 3. Mahabhinishkramna, great renunciation, wheel. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 12. Consider the following events in the history of India. 1. Start of Shaka era. 2. Conversion of Menander to Buddhism. 3. Organization of Third Buddhist Council. 4. Establishment of Chola power by Vijaya Chola. What is the correct chronological order of the above events, starting from the earliest time? A. 2-3-1-4. B. 1-3-4-2. C. 3-2-1-4. D. 2-3-4-1. Question 13. Consider the following statements regarding Buddhist sacred scriptures, Tripitakas. 1. The Sutta Pitaka contains the Buddha's discourses on various doctrinal issues in dialogue form. 2. The Abhidhamma Pitaka contains rules for monks and nuns of the monastic order, Sangha. 3. The Vinaya Pitaka contains a thorough study and systemization of the teachings of the Sutta Pitaka through summaries, questions and answers, lists, etc. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 14. Consider the following statements regarding the age of the Buddha. 1. The decline in the circulation of coins as compared to the Vedic times. 2. Emergence of a large number of nucleated settlements. 3. Emergence of intermediaries for the purpose of tax collection. 4. Extensive use of paddy transplantation for the purpose of rice production. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 and 4 only. C. 2, 3 and 4 only. D. 4 only. Question 15. In the context of the social structures during the times of Buddha, which of the statements are incorrect? 1. Beginning of the Upanayana ritual among the Shudras. 2. Discrimination in the laws as per the stature of the Varna. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2.